Omar Kazarski, Creative Director of Bauer Web Solutions here. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview to the concept of shortcodes within WordPress. A shortcode in WordPress is a simple call of instructions to call in some more advanced programming. Certain plugins and certain themes might provide you with shortcode that you can add to a page or a post to add some more bells and whistles to your website. The syntax and the actual wording of any shortcode is dependent upon the theme or the plugin that's installed, which is used to generate that shortcode. But they'll all follow a same basic format. So let's say in this particular case, I have installed a plugin that will allow me to add nice formatted colored buttons to my WordPress site. So I'm going to edit this page here. And typically the syntax for a shortcode would begin with the left square bracket and the name of that shortcode. And for this example, I'll just say shortcode name. And then that's closed with a right square bracket. Then it would be the content of that shortcode. Some text would go here. And then, so WordPress knows that that instructional set of shortcode is complete, we then close that off with the closing counterpart to that shortcode, which would be the left square bracket, a /, and then the name of that shortcode again, closed off with a right square bracket. So this would denote the beginning of the shortcode, this would denote the end of the shortcode, and the content which will be affected by the shortcode. Sometimes shortcodes don't have a closing portion or even content in between. Sometimes a shortcode might just be the single line itself contained within the left and right square brackets. A lot of shortcodes will also allow you to add parameters or attributes to that. Maybe something like color equals a certain hexadecimal value, or size. Again, these are all dependent on the way that a particular shortcode is programmed. So if you are using shortcodes, or there are shortcodes provided by either a plugin or a theme that's installed on your site, you must read the instructions that come with it, and it'll tell you exactly how to format your shortcode. In this particular demo site, I've installed a plugin that will allow me to add a colored button if I use the shortcode SU_button. So that's my opening phrase for my shortcode. I'm going to put in my text. My text goes here. And then in this particular shortcode, I need to close that off with a closing tag, which will be the less than /, repeating the name of that shortcode, finally closing it off with a right square bracket. So if I update this and view this page, I'll see that I did it wrong. And if you'll notice, it's because I didn't put in a square bracket. It's a curly bracket. So I'll edit this. And I bet you anything now, if I use the square bracket, I update that page and now view it. There is my correctly formatted button. So again, the exact phrasing you put in shortcodes will be determined by the theme or the plugin that you're using, but they should all come with documentation showing you exactly how to add that shortcode in.